just sold this antique lighter. Yes, it looks like a typewriter. Here's a big lighter in comparison, but you push the space bar, light your cigarette. Now I have no idea if this thing works, and I probably had it for about a year for sale, but I just sold it for $82, and I would say I paid $2. So it took probably a year, but it's a pretty neat item for sure. And this is kind of how I would package this. Is I will saran wrap it first, and then put it in bubble wrap, and then into the appropriate box. So just minutes. I just can't do it one-handed, but that would be my process. I put the saran wrap on just because it gives it a nice clean feel, so when the customer is unwrapping it and whatnot, it is an awesome item. You want them to have a good feel about it. I have a good feel about it when I touch it, and it's a neat item. So that was awesome. $2 to 82. I got to own this awesome piece of art. I almost regret selling it.